In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can reset your GoPro Hero 11 Black. Okay, I'm getting ready to sell this GoPro here, but before I do, I'm going to reset it back to factory settings, and I want to show you guys how you can do that in case you need to do the same thing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is swipe down from the top just like so, and then you're going to swipe over just like that. Now you're going to go to Preferences. You'll tap on Preferences, and then you're just going to scroll. Keep scrolling until you see that option right there that says Reset. Go ahead and click on that, and it'll say Format SD card, Reset, Presets, or Factory Reset there at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and hit Factory Reset. All right, now it's going to want to confirm. And so you're just going to click on Reset right here. All right, and it'll go through all its steps and start resetting your camera like it's back to new. You'll hear that beep. All right, and then it's going to go back to its main menu. There we go. And then now it's reset back to the factory settings.